Hi everyone, I'm Rochelle, and today I'm going to turn up the volume by showing you how to use the latest Obsessed box. I am obsessed with volume, aren't you? I'm going to show you my tricks and tips on how to give the ultimate blowout. Okay, so I just washed my hair and I used the Extra Body shampoo and conditioner. I love these products because they're lightweight and they don't weigh my hair down, but they also give a thickness ready for the blowout. Okay, so now we're going to use the Tea Tree Lemon Sage Thickening Spray. It's really important to section the hair at the crown, and you want to make sure you spray with the nozzle close to the base or the scalp. Spray a few times from the front to the back, and keep going, sectioning a few sections all the way across, and then shimmy it in. Now I'll do the other side. Another amazing benefit of this product is it's great for UV protected and also humidity resistance. So now I'm going to use the NeuroLift Heat Control Volume Foam. My favorite thing about this product is that the foam is actually going to be a heat protectant for my hair. So it's going to be a great prep for the blow dry. So I have a lot of hair, so I would start with this amount and then you can always add more. When you apply it, make sure you rub it into both of your hands. So I'll take a section and I just work it up. Massage it into every area. Make sure you get it everywhere. So the next step to prepping for a blow dry is make sure you section your hair. So I'm going to take the top crown using my fingers to pick up the section and then clip it. Make sure I've taken out all the tangles. I'm just going to take a small section in the front, sectioning out the back section. I'm going to take my narrow round brush and I'm going to brush it and blow dry it. I always over direct, so I make sure that I lock my hair into the round brush and I pull forward. You want to make sure you put the cool button on to let it lock in and cool down. Now I take the next section. You want to place your fingers right behind the section that you just previously did and take another inch or two and then clip the rest of it back. So now I'm ready to curl this section. Wrap it back up. So now that we finished with the top, I'm gonna take a section, a small one on this side, and we're gonna do the round brush on this side. Take the next section and continue. And now that my hair is in place and set, I'm gonna use the Awapui anti-frizz hairspray to help tame the hair. It's also going to be a humidity shield for my hair, which is great because I have curly hair, I have blonde hair. It's going to just help tame the frizz even more. So make sure you always shake the spray, and then I'm just going to take each little curl and kind of just spray over it. So now that my hair is ready, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to fluff it up. See, look how amazing the bounce is. So good. Feel free to brush it out. You can use a paddle brush or use your fingers, whatever you feel comfortable with. So now that I have got it in the style and the shape that I want it, I'm going to finish it off just with a little bit more spray. I'm loving it. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I am obsessed with this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about the products, and hopefully you can get your hands on one of these boxes and be just as obsessed. You can go to jpms.com/obsessed.